Hello, my name is Kian and I'm going to show you how to do breaststroke. Phew. Now once again more slowly. First position yourself close to the wall. Lean forwards and put your head in the water. Now put your feet together and jump upwards. Did you notice? Your heels are almost touching your bum. Now push off from the wall with your feet. You are completely under the water. You are gliding like a board. Breathe out slowly under the water. Now start the arm stroke. Don't start to move your legs yet. Here you can see me from below. Pull your hands outwards until they are about level with your shoulders and bend them downwards. Now pull your hands downwards, keeping your elbows up. Your fingertips are pointing to the bottom of the pool. When you pull, your head and shoulders lift out of the water. Don't pull your hands past the line of your shoulders. With a swift, strong inward movement, bring your hands together in front of your chest. Take a breath once your head is at the highest point. You start to move your legs. Your knees move forward. Push your hands forwards quickly. Your head sinks into the water. Pull your heels towards your bum. Then turn your feet outwards. Now really push back and down with the insides of your feet. Breathe out slowly. As soon as your legs are extended, move them towards one another. This is the gliding phase in which you really feel yourself moving forwards. Now you can start the next arm stroke.
Are you also interested in how to swim backstroke and crawl? If so, you'll soon be able to find more videos here on YouTube.